Yeah, this is really unique. I don't know of any other firms that do this, that offer it in either structure, and you basically get to choose. Do you want to have the depreciation pass through, or do you want to avoid multi-state tax returns and avoid waiting on K-1s and that sort of a thing? So it's really your choice. I really like it, but just to give you a sense of how much of that depreciation can be passed through in the first year. The K1 I got this is an MLG fund. It was fund 4. The first K1 I got, it was a $250,000 investment, and my net income was a loss of $157,000. And so you can get a lot of depreciation passed through, just in that first year from an LLC structure like this.
Yeah, that's exactly right. We typically estimate 50 to 60% of your investment coming back to you in the form of a loss in the first year. If you're a person who's done some investing, you have some passive ordinary income, these losses can be really, really powerful tax tools, especially for those, and I'll take a wild leap, for a physician-based blog that may be taxed at or near the highest rates. You start to get some tax-deferred income like this. It can be a really powerful tax tool. One, it allows you to capture the time value of money, right? You're putting money in your pocket today and not the government's. And two, it creates permanent savings because we're offsetting income that's ordinary income. Tax typically, not factoring in state tax, is 40% plus or minus. And when we go to pay the tax, when we sell these properties, we're typically looking at paying capital gains and a little bit of depreciation recapture. Still blends out to be in the low 20% tax rate typically. So you're capturing 5 to 7 years of time plus 15 to 17% of tax rate savings overall. It's a powerful tax tool.
The hosts of the YQA Investor podcast are not licensed accountants, attorneys, or financial advisors. This podcast is free entertainment and information only. It should not be considered professional or personalized financial advice. You should consult the appropriate professional for specific advice relating to your situation.